Hello there. AgentBaba is an autonomous AI workspace designed to create fully autonomous agencies and businesses, not just automate tasks. It is a single system that becomes your customer-facing product, your digital workforce, your internal operation platform, and your post-sale support engine. AgentBaba doesn't just assist humans, it runs businesses. Most companies, especially small and growing ones, face the same structural problems. Work is scattered across too many disconnected tools, execution depends on people, remembering steps, following SOPs, and coordinating manually. Automations, where they exist, are brittle and break the moment a process changes. At the same time, hiring experienced product managers, program managers, tech leads, or operation heads is prohibitively expensive for small businesses. So what happens? Founders then try to fill the roles themselves, but without the right tools. The result is obviously predictable. Businesses lack proper internal apps. They lack reliable workflows. They lack systems that actually run the company. Founders then get buried in operations instead of building the business because the business is not autonomous. And while AI assistants exist, they mostly stop at advice. They don't execute. They don't own workflows. They don't run the business. Agent Baba is built to solve exactly this gap. Agent Baba is an AI-driven execution layer, an operation system that can plan, coordinate, and complete work end-to-end across apps. It combines reasoning, execution, data permissions, and workflows into one unified system. Not a chatbot and not a collection of automations, a full autonomous operating layer for organizations. Let's see. Consider a legal proofreading business. Agent Baba becomes your public website where clients place orders and upload documents. The same Agent Baba instance acts as the digital legal assistant, reviewing documents, proofreading content, flagging risk, and suggesting improvements based on defined rules. It then operates as your internal workspace, managing revisions, versions, billing, and delivery. After delivery, Agent Baba continues as support, handling follow-ups, revisions, and long-term client communication. The same model applies to e-com. Agent Baba runs a storefront, captures orders, manages inventory and fulfillment, handles refunds, and updates customers. Post-purchase, it becomes customer support, resolving issues, tracking shipments, processing returns, and upselling intelligently. One system, one brain, one execution layer. Everything happens inside the Agent Baba workspace, your unified operating console. You see projects and workspaces per team or client, live tasks, queues, and runs showing what the system is doing, full audit trails for every action and decision, roles and permission to control who can run what, a shared knowledge layer that improves over time. Instead of switching tabs, you operate from one place, and the AI workers do the rest. Agent Baba just doesn't give you fixed tools. It uses proprietary shape-shifting runtime to instantiate any internal app that your organization needs. On-demand, CRM, support desk, projects and tasks, knowledge base, reports and approvals. Each app is autonomous by default, workflow aware, AI operated with human controls, and independently scalable. These are not static UIs. They are living workspaces where AI workers observe, decide, and act, dramatically reducing operational costs. Agent Baba introduces AI workers, always on digital employees. They are created in seconds, they run continuously in the background, they self invoke based on events, time, or state changes. Support workers resolve tickets, sales workers qualify leads and follow up. Operations workers keep workflows moving. Finance workers generate reports and flag risk. They don't wait for prompts, they operate 24/7, turning Agent Baba into a living organization. Workflows are the real engine. They connect internal apps, external apps, AI workers, third-party systems into executable business processes. Agent Baba can also generate customer-facing apps, websites, portals, storefronts instantly. These are not disconnected front ends. They are secure surfaces of the same autonomous system powered by the same data and logic. Humans and AI work together on the same artifacts. AI workers create documents, comment, request approvals, and act immediately once approved. They communicate natively via email, chat, phone calls, or SMS. Employees can interact with the entire AgentBaba system through a call or message, asking for status, approving actions, or triggering workflows. This is collaborative autonomy, not messaging automation. AgentBaba is built for real operations. Permissions, actions, approval gates, full audit logs, workspace isolation, policy-based restrictions on what AI can and cannot do. This is what really autonomy reliable in production. AgentBaba is not another chatbot. It is a true autonomous AI operation system, both the actor and the platform it acts on. Agents are the brains. They decide what should happen. AI workers are the doers. They execute. This separation makes autonomy controllable, auditable, and scalable. AgentBaba doesn't just sit on top of your stack. It becomes the operating layer that runs your organization. That's what makes AgentBaba truly autonomous.